Alright, so we're gonna do a little demo of the entire kit by listening to the preview files. Alright, here we go. And all of these, they have the same signature cycle kit layering, so when you hit a pad you'll get a different articulation or whatever. But these are just preview files so you guys can hear everything that's in the kit. So I'm starting off from volume 3 first. That's kind of deadly. Dang, y'all sleeping on this kit. This train is crazy. Let's see. Let's go to here. Let's listen to 14. Alright, so let's go here to this. Alright, so that's a short run through of the entire kit, whatever else like that, or 21 programs. You can get that at cyclekit.com. Peace.